In this example, I will be doing an application, the Ferris wheel, that we did in the section 5.3. In this particular example, the equation that we're going to work with is that the height is equal to 50 plus 40 sine of pi over 10 t minus pi over 2. Now, I'm going to label that equation the way we did it in the last chapter with d being 50, a, the amplitude, given by the 40, and b, given by pi over 10, which is the number or numbers in front of the t of the variable. Now, I should also note that the height, or h of t, is equal to the height at time t, and that time is in seconds. And I should also note that the height would be feet. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is find the period with the formula 2 pi over b. So I write 2 pi over pi over 10, since b is pi over 10. I flip the denominator, and the pi's will cancel. And if I multiply, I get 20 seconds. That would be the time that to complete one revolution, one trip around the Ferris wheel. I'm going to sketch that with a circle, and if we start at the bottom at time equals 0. So if we do that, then one trip around the circle, or the Ferris wheel, as we noted earlier with the period, should take us exactly 20 seconds. 20 seconds for one revolution. And if that's the case, then just getting halfway around to the top of the circle, or the Ferris wheel, should take us 10 seconds, half of 20. And accordingly, so each quarter of the way around the Ferris wheel should be 5 seconds. So 5 seconds, and then we get to the top at 10 seconds, we come back down, and another quarter way is 15 seconds, and then we come all the way to the bottom, 20 seconds. So we spaced it out. We spaced the time out evenly. And remember that the time equals 5. That quarter point is half of the circle, and that is given to us by d, which is, in our case, in our equation, is 50 feet. That's the middle of the ride. And to get the maximum height, what we did was we took that d, which is 50, and we added it to the amplitude. So 50 plus 40 is 90 feet. So those are some of the questions that we answered in the Ferris wheel example that we did in class.